Okegbo stands still as MATO Mandate Group begins massive mobilization for the APC in Ondo State, says it's time to rebuild. Okegbo-born oil and gas magnate and a chieftain of the All Progressives Congress APC in Ondo State, Mr. Matthew Oyerimade, popularly called MATO, has called for the rebuilding of the APC in Ondo State. He made this known while addressing party supporters, where he was represented by Surveyor Niro Akiniyi at a town hall meeting held on Sunday in Okegbo, Ileoluji, Okegbo local government area of Ondo State. Surveyor Akiniyi, while speaking at the meeting organized by MATO Mandate Group at the APC party secretariat in Okegbo on Sunday, 4th February 2024, said MATO has insisted that the doors of the party remain opened to receive defectors from other political parties to the APC. He hinted that MATO planned to work with other leaders and stakeholders of the party in Ondo State to start a massive grassroots mobilization program for the party, APC, to succeed in the upcoming governorship election in Ondo State. PA Chief NT Faponda, while addressing the teaming members of the MATO Mandate Group and the APC leaders at the meeting, said, now that MATO is using his personal resources to rebuild and unite the party across Ondo State, it is time to join forces with him to rebuild the party, draw new strength, and march towards the desired destination. Also speaking at the meeting, Elder Samson Ojetayo noted that Mr. Matthew Oyerimade, through his group, MATO Mandate Group, has been reaching out to the party members and masses and already making moves to unite the party while encouraging that other leaders follow suit. Elder Ojetayo reiterated that Matthew Oyerimade is a special force to reckon with in the politics of Ondo State and Nigeria at large.
And I thank God for Ogiani to get away. Only shock absorber. Only a mojukuro. Oba gbebe ni ke se ye ko lo se ri. Gbebe mi so kini kan fun mo ni. Gbogbo owó tó ná e ma ri ni pe onáwó dànù. It is an investment in politics. Ní Ondo State lónìí, Yorùbá rẹ̀ dábọ̀ pé òun máa wà tó. So, mi ò ní much láti ṣe. Lẹ́mi láti sọ ju pé mo kí ipe ẹ̀kú oríire. Mo lẹ́ ẹ̀kú oríire o. Ibi màtó bá ti ń lọ, èmi àwọn ẹ̀dẹ̀ mo ń lọ tèmi o.
Noting that MATO Mandate Group is a viable platform spread across Ondo State and is meant to reach out to the masses and impact people's lives. He also described Matthew Oyerimade as a philanthropist who through the mandate, put smiles on the faces of the less privileged and committed to the well-being of his people in Ondo State. The report was gathered and documented by publisher Coastal Renaissance News, Pastor Taiwo Gbamila.